Looking for a backyard oasis for under $400,000? Then I've got you. This lovingly maintained East Transcona bungalow has been cared for by its long-term owners, and it comes with a rare find, an in-ground pool. Enjoy the tour. Thanks for watching. For more information on this property or to book an exclusive tour, reach out to us. We're happy to guide you through the process.